All right, how about some rugs for our wizard's chamber? I found these on Amazon. They're like dollhouse rugs. I think I've also seen them at the hobby stores. And these are cool, but as you can see, they're pretty out of scale. They're really big, but this center rectangle here is actually perfect. So what I'm going to do is cut the outer, 3/4 inch off and just reduce it to this size here. All right, so I've already cut off 3 of the edges from this. I'll just cut off the last one. I have these really small, very sharp scissors. I'm just carefully cutting along this edge. Like that. Now this, as you can see, this would just fray eternally here. So what I'll do is lay down a relatively heavy bead of hot glue here along this edge. And take a piece of parchment paper and press it down into the weave. Make it flat and really bind all those threads together. Keep working my way along this edge here. You move quick, you know, just rub your fingers across here. You won't burn yourself. The parchment paper shields you and you can do this quickly. And then yes, I have glue hanging over here, so I'll just go back and trim off that little flange, if you will. This also adds a little bit of weight to this little rug, and it will keep it from slipping around just like that. And then it can go into our piece like so. Here are some other options I have for rugs. I got all of these things at the fabric and ribbon section at Joann Fabrics, actually. I think that the most obvious of these is this kind of ribbon here. Simply going to snip this off, and there you go. You have what I think makes a great looking little throw rug. This came in 2 colors. I have the purple and the blue. Don't have to do anything to those. Here's another ribbon here. And I think for this one, I'm going to kind of try to snip out this shape right in here, including these 2 little orange diamonds here. So I'll just kind of cut it to a shape. And similar to that other rug, you're going to want to put in a bead of hot glue just to keep all this from coming apart. I'll just go back and trim off the overflow of the hot glue. And there's just another little simple area rug, throw rug. I also found this ribbon, which I think could make like, you could make a longer runner rug that could go across an area. So again, I'm going to kind of shape the end here like so. So I have this, and I will again hot glue the edge just so it doesn't come unraveled. I think that makes a very nice looking rug. It'll look great laying here in front of the, I think laying across the front of the wizard's work table here. And one more option I have, I just saw this fabric. This was in like the offcuts, and I think these little circles that are on here already make what will be great little rugs. So I'm just going to cut out one of these circles and see what happens. And there's that. And we can just put that in wherever we like. Now, I would never have all of these different non-matching rugs in there, but you can see lots of options for different ways of making some rugs for your builds. Very easy, very inexpensive, and they look great.